Okay, now see the next topic, that is networking devices. Hmm. The first thing is, what is the use of networking device? So networking devices means what? Networking devices are electronic devices which are required for communication and interaction between devices on a computer network. These devices act as an intermediate agent for the corporate network. That means to make the connection within two devices, we have to need networking device. Without any networking device, we can't make the connection. We can't create the network. Second thing is some networking devices which we will discuss in this session, that is NIC, repeater, hub, switch, router, gateway. So we will discuss that thing. So start from this NIC. NIC means what? NIC means a network interface card. That is the full form. So network interface card is a piece of computer hardware. And in simple, we can say that is a part of our computer hardware. In your desktop, in your laptop, also available there. And in simple, that is your port. If you, in your laptop, in your desktop, there is RJ45 port, there is a network port available. So that is your NIC. That is your internal NIC. If in your laptop has Wi-Fi, so for Wi-Fi also there is Wi-Fi adapter, and that is also known as Wi-Fi NIC. So that is a piece of computer hardware designed to allow computer to communicate over a computer network. Means why this device, why the NIC, our laptop, our desktop can communicate with the computer network, or we can say connect with the computer network. Without this device, networking cannot be done. If in your laptop there is not any Wi-Fi adapter or not any uh, means RJ45 cable adapter, so that means you can't connect your laptop with the network by any way. This is also known as network adapter card, Ethernet card, LAN card, means by different names you can means see this NIC. NIC works on physical layer of OSI, as we discussed in OSI model. On physical layer, we have the cable and connector, and this NIC also a connector. So that is a that is works on physical layer. Types of NIC. So we have wired NIC and wireless NIC. Wired NIC used to connect wire in your system in your machine. Wireless NIC means it will use antenna to send receive data in a network used by wireless network. And here we have the picture. So here you can see we have different types of wired NIC. The first one, that is for the twisted pair. There is the port RJ45, and in picture also you can see if you didn't see this type of port. So that is called the RJ45 port. That is used for the twisted pair, TP or STP cable. The second NIC, that is for the fiber optic cable. Here we have the fiber NIC. Right here is the port for fiber. The third one is for the coaxial. Coaxial. As we discussed earlier, coaxial cable also used in computer network. Nowadays it is not used, but earlier it was used. So this type of connector that time used. And that NIC, if you using desktop, because in laptop we don't have any option to expand, but in desktop we have the option to expand. So if you want to connect to more NIC, so this type of NIC you can purchase from the market, and then you can connect in your motherboard, in your desktop motherboard. There is one port that is called PCI slot, peripheral component interconnect, and in that port you can connect this type of NIC. This port you can connect there, and then you will get this port. Suppose in your desktop there is one port only, and you want one more port, so then you can connect this NIC. And if suppose your port is not working in your desktop, that time also you can connect this type of NIC there. And in wireless, if you will see, so wireless NIC is looking like this. First, that is external wireless NIC, means that is also known as Wi-Fi adapter. If in your laptop or desktop there is not any Wi-Fi NIC available or any Wi-Fi media available, so that time what you can do, you can purchase this type of adapter, and then you can connect that adapter in your laptop or in your desktop on USB port. And this type of NIC also available, means if you want to connect internally, so on the motherboard you can connect this type of NIC. For the wireless. Their antennas also available. That is called NIC.